how to make money silently. You are getting rich silently, and people don't actually know that you are getting rich silently. Number one, live below your means. This means living a humble life. This means living a very gentle, a life that people around you will not actually know that actually you have this kind of money. It will save you a lot of money. So many people, when their income begins to increase, you discover that their expenses begins to increase. They begin to buy designers clothes. They begin to buy Versace clothes. They begin to buy all kinds of clothes, all kinds of flashy lifestyle. They begin to live it. They begin to live that kind of life. No, you need to run away from that kind of lifestyle. It doesn't mean that you're going to wear rag or you're going to just be on the street like a pauper. No, what it means is that you dress well, you wear your moderate clothes, you just wear your clothes the way you have been wearing it before, and very neat. Eat the kind food you are eating, but the pressure of increasing your expenses as your income increases is not something that is going to be there. That means you are going to have some money left for reserve because of investments and all the rest of them. Number two, you learn how to convert money. Now, these monies that you have saved from the kind of a humble lifestyle that you are living, you now convert it into appreciating assets. One of the things that enables people to make money in life is that they are able to convert their depreciating assets into appreciating assets. You understand? So your money, the more you have it in cash, it depreciates. Inflation eats it up. So what people do is that the money they have saved, they are able to convert it into appreciating assets. They use it for investments, into crypto, maybe into real estate, into many kinds of investments that is appreciating. They use it and purchase gold, silver. As time goes by, the values keep on increasing. So these are things that you need to do. You convert it. Convert your money. That you flip your depreciating assets into appreciating assets. Number three, you limit your social media presence. If your business is not a social media business, then you don't have any reason why everything you buy, you go to social media to post it. Some people buy a car, they go to social media, they stay like this and snap. Some people buy a house, they go to social media and snap. By the time you bring your life to social media, your personal life, especially to social media, you are letting people know of the things you are acquiring, and people will actually know. And it's not everybody that is seeing you on social media that is actually happy with you. So you reduce your social media presence. Not everything you do, the food you eat in the morning, you post on social media. The kind of bedsheet you use, you post on social media. Some people even post their undies on social media. Well, I don't know the reasons why they do that, but this is one of the ways to build your wealth in silence. Number four, developing multiple sources of income. Multiple sources of income. One of the hardest things to do in life is to make money from one source. So if your money, all the money you're making is tied to your job, then you are set in for a very hard life. So it's one of the hardest tasks. So you develop multiple sources of income. There are many things you can do, especially in this 21st century. There are online businesses that you can do from the comfort of your home. You can do freelancing. You can do digital marketing, have an online store, eBay, and all the rest of them. Then you can do consulting. You can do all sorts of things. You understand? So you do it to develop multiple sources of income. And as you are building this money, people are not actually aware that these are the things you are doing from the comfort of your home. In the morning, they will see you go out for work, come back. They don't know what you are really doing in your bed. They don't really know what you are doing inside your house. But right inside your house, you are making money. Number five, keep learning, because the more you keep learning, the more you keep growing. And the more you keep growing, the more your income keeps on increasing. You understand? So one of my mentors, Myron Golden, he said that your learning curve determines your earning curve. So the more you know, the more you earn. So you keep learning. This is one of the characteristics that is associated with the wealthy. they keep learning. They have this beginner's mindset every time they want to learn. So you see them keep leveraging on other people, keep using technology to cut down cost, because certain things that human beings are doing today, technology can actually do better for us. Technology can actually do better for us, and we will even have less money to spend than the more money that we are spending. So they keep on learning new skills, new ideas, new technology, new things on how to improve their lives. You keep on seeing them, they keep on learning marketing, sales, other things, so that they keep on improving their value. They keep on improving the kind of person that they are. So this is something that the rich do that even the poor don't do. The rich keep learning. They keep learning always, and the more they learn, the more they know, and the more they know, the more they rule over those that don't know, because those that know will definitely without doubt, without argument, rule over those that don't know. So you keep learning so that you can improve and build your wealth in silence. So by the time you put up these 5 steps that I mentioned here together, you discover that you can actually build wealth, and people around you will not actually know that you are building wealth. Sometimes when people know that you have money and that this money is available, you see them, they keep on coming, and they will tell you that their grandmother swallowed shovel, that he needs money for operation. Their great grandfather swallowed spoon, that they need money to take them to hospital. They will tell you that their wives swallowed the guinea pig, that they want money to do this and that and all the rest of it. So, but by the time you are in silence, people will not actually know the extent to which you have actually built your wealth. So rich people, one of the things that they do is that they build their wealth in silence, and their wealth will announce them in public. So if this video has contributed to you, just look at the like button and smash it sub, so that subsequent updates on videos about how to grow your money, how to grow your income, will keep you updated.